Kakawak. Kakawak.
Kakawak is what it is.
Kakawak.
Hello everybody! For today's video, I spent the day exploring the beautiful mountains of Kalash Valley with my new bebe. Hello everybody!
Hello everybody. Hello.
On this episode, we are sharing laughters after laughters.
Kakawak. Kakawak.
Kakawa! Tatawa ka sa sarili mo, di ba? And adventures after adventures. Saglit lang!
Jump to 3,
Tara na!
5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10! And of course, let's all enjoy the stunning views habang nagsusubuan. Travel na may harutan. I got you. Gwapo mo! Everybody, so for today's video, siya yung kasama natin. Hello! And to end the day, tara, may pahabol tayong mga gwapong bisita.
Oh, kita mo ba yan? Oh, ganyan ang pupunta sa'yo. Hindi ka babangon. Bumangon ka, kahit pagod ka, kahit oreto.
Kaya tara't makipagkulitan.
Thank you so much. And the eyes? Na-appreciate niyo talaga ako dito.
At
no?
makipagkantahan. This is Kay Toretto from Pakistan. Let's go, let's do it.
That's in back shooter, front shooter.
Ano? Back shoot and front. Vlogger. Try to be a vlogger.
Hello guys. Go. Hello guys. Nagan.
Say, si Jad, say, welcome to my life.
Welcome to my life.
Ay! Amazing! Welcome lang tayo sa life niya.
Kya goyla. May jana mashi. Kya goyla. Playing the library and go like library. Mas like you. Pero shukshi. Oh, choda gana. Man. Tuki mas. Ay, kiene jone de mai ga de yo sai de. Kiene jone. Da ja shi na. Kya करेगी? Shia. Pura. This is my friend. Friend. ये पाल बारे वो ये मास ले आता है पाया हुआ है तो ये माय का ये मास ये माम दुमान शेषा वक्त ये मास ये माम love का love. Oh, one gram.
Everybody! For today's video, we are walking. I told you he will be with me after, so he's with me now.
That's in back shooter, front shooter.
One again. Ano?
In video, I'm not. I mean, like
Back shoot and front.
I mean, back scene. No.
Back Stop this. What is that? Are they tourists also? Okay, so we'll be walking around this place, everybody. Everybody, it's Kay Toretto here for today's video. Come with me as I'm gonna be making an episode with my... Ang gwapo ng neighbor ko talaga. Alam mo kung paano ko to nakita ulit. Nagmamotor kami, nakita ko siya. Napunta kami ng cricket, nakita ko siya. Paalis kami kanina, nakita ko siya. O sabi ko, sumama ka na. So, ayun na, we're gonna go to the forest. So, may pupuntahan kami and meet Shuja's friend.
Hi, hello everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Hello everybody.
Ano? Tawag-tawa kayo sa mga kalokohan natin. Kayo talaga. So, they are bringing me somewhere really, really good.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light.
Hello everybody! Ready to explore the beauty of Pakistan? This fall, come experience Pakistan with us in its most magical season. And let's all make an unforgettable moments together. Join our autumn tour this 2026 with your hosts, Kay Toretto and Francis Candier. Batch 4 starts on October 29 and Batch 5 starts on November 12. Price starts at $699 USD for 6 days.
Wow!
From breathtaking landscapes to authentic village life, this is more than just a trip. It's a story that you will remember forever. Limited slots only. Are you ready to explore Pakistan like never before? Message now to reserve your spot.
Everybody, show for today's video. Siya yung kasama natin. Hala! Kinikilig talaga ako. Everybody, so mukhang mag-adventure na naman tayo. But let's go, let's do it. Wala tong katapusang lakaran. Okay lang yan. It's past 4 p.m. So, nagkita-kita kami mga alas 2. Tumambay lang kami. We had chai, lunch. Papakita ko, ito yung lunch namin. What is the normal Kalash food?
I think that is
Dal?
my favorite is kalpakti.
What is that?
They are mixed with rice.
Comment down below
Comment down below
if you like me.
if you like me.
They like you. Ang gwapo mo! Ala. Hiking na naman. Hindi na natapos tong hiking na ito.
Chaos.
Hmm.
Chaos.
Kaya sis, how are you?
How are you?
Yes. You are good? Ang gwapo talaga niyan. Ganda, oh.
Ganda uk.
Ganda, oh.
Ganda uk. Hello.
You're tired? Napagod na siya. Everybody, nakikita nyo ba yan? Grabe, no? Yung parang pwede ka magbabad whole day. Alam ko, natatandaan ko nung bata ako, may ganyan sa Tarlac. As a tour guide yan si Aspay, siya ang ating supporting actor. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami dito. Ang ganda, no? Wag ka lang malalagwag, ka lang malalaglag. Uy, ang ganda. Grabe, noong payapa ng lugar nila. Super bad. Uy, grabe. Yeah. Super ganda niya. Picturistic, no? Picturesque pala. Picturesque. Picturesque. Pag hindi ko ginalaw yung video, kala mo painting lang siya. You see this? Oh my gosh. Aspay, yesterday once more.
Okay.
Sabihin mo na, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh, once more.
Once more.
Lalaro nyo ako kayo talaga. Everybody, let's go for the adventuring. I actually don't. Assalamualaikum. Zengay kay. Mga kapitbahay ko dito. Oh. Saan sa kayo nagpupunta?
Just try.
My God, so peaceful. Nagsisimula na ang mga adventuring. Ayan na ang mga tawid-tawid na naman. Oh, yan na. Oh. Dangerous. Yesterday. Once more. Ay, what is this? At
Lighthouse.
lighthouse?
I mean powerhouse.
Power, electricity.
This is the water for the powerhouse.
Ah, okay.
Generating current. Electricity.
Ay. Ikaw. O pala tawa din siya, di ba? Kahit walang dahilan, parang ako lang. Are you dancing?
No, just.
Just English, just practice.
English, just practice.
Yes. He said just practice. Baka siya nakahawak siya. Tawa lang siya ng tawa sa akin. Tatawa na rin ako sa'yo. Ikaw talaga. Ganyan dapat everybody yung mga atake ninyo. Gagalingan ninyo. Oo. Kayong Papa Api.
Danger.
Ay, English! Only 2 hours now. Danger. Just practice. Ayan na, gumagaling ka na sa English.
This is danger and palikin and anxiety.
Sorry yung camera. Bahala ka dyan. Hindi ko naman naintindihan yung sinabi. This is what?
Kakawak. Kakawak.
Kakawak?
Yes, kakawak.
Ay, that's in your language.
Yes. Kakawak.
It is what? It is?
Kakawak.
Sorry. Kakawak. Akala ko joke lang.
Kakawak. Kakawak.
It's real language. It's in Kalashi. Kaka?
Kakawak. Kakawak.
Kakawa.
So excited. So
Tatawa ka sa sarili mo, di ba?
kakawak. Kakawak.
Sorry. Where do we go now? Okay, lead the way. Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
4, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Talaga naman. May paganon pala. Saglit lang.
1, 2, 3,
4. Kakawak. Sabi ko sa inyo, saan tayo? Ay, let's go. Kakawak. Tawang-tawa ko sa kakawak. I am not seeing.
Hey, how are you, friends? SRK. You know SRK?
No,
Bollywood actor.
no.
We are watching Bollywood.
Sometimes, the best moments in Kailash Valley aren't the big adventures or famous places. They are the simple ones. We found a quiet spot, sat down, shared a few snacks, and spent the afternoon laughing and talking. No rush, no plans, just good company, beautiful mountain views, and memories that made the day feel special. Travel often takes us to amazing destinations, but days like this remind me that human connection is what makes a journey truly special. As the sun slowly dipped behind the mountains, I realized that sometimes the most unforgettable moments are not the places you visit, but the people you meet along the way.
Oh, everybody, the pahinga is done. Moving on our next destination bago umuwi. Tingnan ko kung saan siya pupunta. Ayan na naman sila. Ang hilig nila magpitas talaga, no? Kahit anong tribo pala, hindi lang pala pang patanto. Kahit anong tribo, basta makita kayong dahon, kain. Slowly, slowly. Ay.
Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly.
I think he will easily learn English.
Slowly, slowly.
Kasi he's... Ha?
Slowly. You repeat?
Kakawak?
Yeah, that's so amazing pronounced. That amazingly pronounced.
Yes, kakawak. Tawang-tawa. Tawang-tawa kayo.
Kakawak. Wo para.
Kakawak.
Wo para.
You are the one that I've been searching for. Pasaway ka din pala, no? Slowly, slowly.
Slowly, slowly. 1,
2, 1.
4,
Wait lang! Malaglag tayo sa ginagawa mo eh.
8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, umabot ka sa 10. Amazing.
Happy Papa 10.
What did he say? You are so much laughing. Ano? Ano?
In our own language, you know. Yeah.
Pasaway kayong dalawa.
Which is so funny, boy. Then
Yeah, it's funny now. Bigyan mo ako chocolate.
yeah, of course.
Bigyan mo ako chocolate.
Yeah, of course.
Just put it here. Bas, I don't, only 2. I don't like too much.
1, 1, 1.
Saglit lang. Ah!
2, 1 minute. 1, 2, and 3. 3. Jump, 3.
Tara na.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10! Woo!
Can you sit here?
Ha?
No, this sun. Okay, come.
The sun, okay. Hindi pa.
The sun is damaging your skin. You know.
Ay, the sun is damaging my skin daw. Pwede naman pala doon. Bakit tayo dito?
Can you take? This is danger. This is danger and fun is in addiction.
Parang di ako natuwa sa adventure na to.
May I go to
Home. Home. Englishening! Yes. Everybody, I hope that you enjoyed that quick adventure with my... Hala, hindi na siya pwedeng bebe ko kasi may bebe ko na ako. So thank you for watching this quick adventure of mine. Again, this is Kate Toretto. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day again.
Hi guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
Again, bye.
Again.
Wait lang.
Bye.
Coco.
Kakawak.
Sige na, bye everybody. Everybody, kung inaakala nyong walang bonus clip, nagkakamali kayo. We have a bonus clip. At malalaman nyo lang sa pagbabalik ng KTV channel. Wala akong energy, pinipilit ko na lang. Pagod na ako. Kulit kasi nito eh. Kaibigan ko sa Chitral, kulit. Pinuntahan ako. Nananahimik na ako. Yung katawan lupa ako, nakapahinga na. Pumunta pa rin siya. Ang kulit. At least, buti na lang sila. Na-appreciate ko sila. Bumabiyahe talaga sila ng 2 oras. Makita ka lang. Ganyan ng mga kaibigan kong Pakistani. Kung mga taga-kaibigan ko sa Malabon. Lilibre mo na, pahirapan pang imbentahin. Ang hirap i-invite. Kita niyo yung mukha ko. Diba? Bagsak na yung mukha ko, girl. Pinipilit ko na lang kasi bumiyahe ito ng 2 oras. So, I appreciate that. Kung itutulog ko na lang sana, nag-ayang mag-dinner. Sino ba naman ako para tanggihan ka? Walay. Gusto ko na magpahinga, promise. As in, nasa kama talaga ako. Kala ko charis-charis niya lang. Diyan na pala siya. Mairita. Nagtitrentahin na talaga ako. Madali na ako mairita. But I know I need to kind of maintain my smiling face because I don't wanna look old. I don't like that. Alam niyo ba yung best friend ko si Shermin, ayaw niya sasabihin siyang tumatanda. Ayaw niya yung magagalit siya. Kala mo naman kagandahan. Tuloy mo yung papakita ko sa inyo yung mga visitors natin for today's video. Say hi. Ito naman gwapo ng bisita ko. Kita mo ba yan? O, ganyan yung pupunta sa'yo. Hindi ka babangon. Bumangon ka, kahit pagod ka, kay Toretto. Asha, please sit here. We make little vlog. I'm saying that you, because I'm about to sleep, right? And then you come with Nasim. So, I still wake up because I want to meet you guys. So, ayan sila. What did you order?
Yeah.
What did you order?
Chicken pulao.
Okay. Amazing. With chawal. Amazing. Uy, walang kanin dito sa mga sa Kalash. Bihira lang. Salam Ashpata.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Litong-lito na talaga ako sa salam niya. Sunog ako, oh. 4 na araw na akong namumundok. Pagod na ako. Nga pa naman itong mga to. Uy, mga nanonood sa akin, o ganyan. Kung ganyan yung nanonood, gumising ka kay Toretto. What you saying?
This one.
Tell me.
What are you saying?
I'm saying, even if you are sleepy, even if you want to take a rest and sleep, if your friends are inviting you in Pakistan, you should wake up and meet them.
Oh, okay.
Everybody, so change location while we are cooking. Naaliw ka sa akin. Ang ganda ng ngipin mo, no? Ganda ng ngipin mo, no? Pantay na pantay. Your teeth is really good.
Good?
Yeah, pantay na pantay. Nakakaingit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ngipin niya sa malapitan. I want to show your teeth, see? Just see, oh. Diba? Kala mo naka-veneers. Oh, this for you. You need mic?
I mean a beautiful video you make. We will TikTok Friday.
Yeah, interview me. My name is... Hello, what is your name?
My name is Nasim.
And
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. And
Where are
you?
you from?
I am from... Naglolokohan tayo. Do you know the owner? Ang gwapo na ito, no? Sino ba kamukha mo? Okay, and we will interview my another friend. Assalamualaikum. Just pretend only. Mag-pretend ka. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
¿Qué chasus?
Jam.
Jam.
Tujamosa.
Pajamosa.
Are you fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Itong bonus clip na to, alam mo, itong bonus clip na to, ewan ko kung anong mangyayari dito. Basta alam ko, nagugutom na ako.
Wahab say.
Wahab say.
You are very good.
I am very good. Oh, thank you so much. I'm not just very good. I am pretty. I'm beautiful. I am perfect. Joke lang. Who said this? How everyone have me now? Oh my God.
You are famous foreigner coming here with them all local people happy. And see you are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. And the eyes?
Beautiful.
And the skin? Thank you.
And you not.
Na-appreciate nyo talaga ako dito, no? It's good, you know. I will sing now, wait. There's a hero. Oh, again? Ba yan? Ulitin natin, ha?
Why?
We will do it again. There's a hero. If you look inside you and be strong. Said a hero lies in you. Kabiruan lang namin yung mga tawagan itong